Good morning and welcome back to the maths class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, class, tell me what is the day today? Today is Tuesday, and which date today? 19th of January 2021. What is the weather like today? Foggy day. Today is foggy day. Okay, class, let's start our day with the numbers. Start counting. Which number is this? 1. Which number is this? 1. What comes after 1? 2. Which number is this? 2. What comes after 2? 3. Which number is this? 3. And what comes after 4? 3. 4. Which number is this? Number 4. And what comes after 4? 5. Which number is this? 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And what comes after 5? Number 6. Which number is this? 6. And what comes after 6? 7. Which number is this? 7. And what comes after 7? 8. And what comes after 8? 9. Which number is this? 9. And what comes after 9? 10. 1 and 0, 10. 1 and 0, 10. Again start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 and 0, 10. 1 and 0, 10. And what comes after 10? 11. 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 1, 11. And what comes after 11? 12. 1 and 2, 12. 1 and 2, 12. And what comes after 12? 13. 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 4, 14. 1 and 4, 14. And what comes after 14? 15. 1 and 5, 15. 1 and 5, 15. And what comes after 15? 16. 1 and 6, 16. What comes after 16? 17. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 7, 17. What comes after 17? 18. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 8, 18. And what comes after 18? 19. 1 and 9, 19. And what comes after 19? 20. 2 and 0, 20. 2 and 0, 20. Okay, again start. 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 2, 12. 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 4, 14. 1 and 5, 15. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 9, 19. 2 and 0, 20. Okay class, open your workbook. Our topic is trace and write. And today we will write the numbers on workbook. Which number is this? 1. And how many dots are there? 1 dot. 1. Okay. Start from the top, makes a straight line like this. Start from the top, make a straight line like this. Okay, tell me what comes after 1? 2. And how many dots are there? 2 dots. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Make a curve and then make a slanting line and then slipping line. Make a curve, make a slanting line and then make a slipping line. Number 2. And what comes after 2? 3. And how many dots are there? 1, 2 and 3 dots are there. So we will write number 3 on dotted pattern like this. Make a curve and then make another curve, and then we will write number 3 freehand. Make a curve, then make another curve like this. Okay, what comes after 3? 4. And how many dots are there? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, make a slanting line and then make a sleeping line. Go to the middle and make a straight line like this. Slanting line, sleeping line and make a straight line like this. What comes after 4? 5. And how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we will write number 5. Start from the top, make a sleeping line, then make a slanting line and then make a curve like this. Okay, now open page number 61 and we will write number 6. How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a curve and go round like this. Make a curve and go round. 6. And which number is this? 7. Okay, count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make a sleeping line and then make a slanting line. Okay, tell me how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we will write number 8. Make a circle and then make another circle like this. Okay, and what comes after 9? What comes after 8? 9. How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And we will write number 9. Make a curve, go to the top and make a straight line like this. And what comes after 9? Number 10. And how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Make a straight line and then make a circle. Go round like this. Okay class, complete your work. Complete numbers from 1 to 10. And also do practice this number on your workbook and notebook. Okay class, playgroup, thank you and Allah Hafiz.